Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well wherever you are. Today I'm singing from my living room, and I just thought I'd share a song called Peace by Hillsong. I chose this song because it's been always encouraging for me, but I think that in these past couple weeks especially, just with everything that's been going on, that it can be very uncertain, and maybe anxieties are rising around us. And I just think this song is a great reminder that even in times of chaos, where we might feel maybe overwhelmed, that the peace that we can experience from knowing Jesus just goes beyond anything that the world can offer us, and it's just such a gift. So I just hope that this song can be an encouragement that even in struggles or in our hard times, that God's peace can remain through it all.
You will stay true, even when the lies come. Your word remains truth, even when my thoughts don't line up. I will stand tall on each promise you made. Let the rest fade away. There's a peace far beyond all understanding. May it ever set my heart at ease. Dare anxiety come, I'll remember that peace is a promise you keep. Peace is a promise you keep. You will stay true, even in the chaos. Your word remains truth, even when my mind wreaks havoc. And I will be still, for I'm known all along. My Jehovah Shalom, there's a peace far beyond all understanding. May it ever set my heart at ease. What anxiety fails to remember is peace is a promise you keep. Peace is a promise you keep. You are peace to a restless soul. Peace when my thoughts rage war. Peace to the anxious heart. That's who you are. That's who you are. You are peace when my fear takes hold. Peace when I'm feeling close. Peace when I lose control. That's who you are. That's who you are. I found peace far beyond all understanding. Let it flow when my mind's under siege.